This is my history in nature. Oh, I found it!
You see it?
Oh, yeah,
You
I
see
can
it, Mama?
see it! I can see it! Alright. Can you stop? Not even stop.
Hold on, let's see what happens.
I like your hat.
Here we get our ticket.
Matching hat.
All aboard!
Today, we saw Redwood Trees. They were big, sky high, bigger than Daddy. Funny joke. They were so tall. There's a lot of Black history in nature. Like Mr. Sam McDonald. Mr. Sam loved nature and trees. Big trees. Like giant redwoods. Sam worked hard and saved money on a big piece of land full of redwood trees. They made it last for hundreds and hundreds years. Wait for an outboard. The redwoods were even protected by buffalo soldiers. Mr. Sam didn't keep it to himself. He decided to share it with everyone. They gave it to the people of San Mateo, so families can enjoy the redwoods. Like a magical world. It's always good to share. Thank you, Mr. Sam. This is my history month in nature.